Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, November 3, 2023 on our channel. Hoshizaki America presented new refrigerator and freezer. CAREL Industries S.p.A. has approved the consolidated results. Harnessing cold storage to reduce food loss and support sustainable food systems in emerging economies. Epta Climatización y Refrigeración, see in our 2023. Panasonic decides to invest in our 8 technologies SPX Cooling announces opening of new Marley manufacturing facility in Springfield, Missouri. ASHRAE Releases guide on the role of grid interactivity in decarbonization. Beijer acquires Turner Engineering in Australia. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Hoshizaki America presented new refrigerator and freezer. Hoshizaki America Incorporated is proud to announce the launch of its latest products, all-new heated cabinets, 52 inches refrigerator, and freezer glass door merchandiser. The new product offerings are designed to expand the versatility businesses have for handling food storage and display. We are elated to introduce these innovative heating and refrigeration solutions to the market, states Srikar Vemula, Director of Product Management. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. CAREL Industries S.p.A. has approved the consolidated results. The Board of Directors of CAREL Industries S.p.A. has approved the results as of September 30, 2023. Francesco Nalini, CEO of the group, commented. En quote, the first 9 months of 2023 closed with revenue growth of 24% or 12.7% on a like-for-like basis and at constant exchange rates, in line with the expectations communicated in August. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Harnessing cold storage to reduce food loss and support sustainable food systems in emerging economies. Cold storage technologies play a crucial role in preserving food freshness, preventing spoilage, and extending shelf life, but it is essential that they do so in an environmentally sustainable manner. This technology trend brief, titled Keep It Cool, Harnessing Cold Storage to Reduce Food Loss and Support Sustainable Food Systems in Emerging Economies, is brought to you by Efficiency for Access and Partners. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Epta Climatización y Refrigeración, C and AMP, our 2023. Epta will be present at the biennial Climatización y Refrigeración, C and AMP, our 2023, an important Spanish event dedicated to ventilation, cooling and refrigeration. The trade fair will be held in IFMA in Madrid from 14 to 17 November and will focus on technological evolution, the reduction of energy consumption and respect for the environment. Epta, in line with the founding principles of the fair and in its role as green transition enabler, presents its sub-brands Epta Service and Epta Technica. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Panasonic decides to invest in our 8 technologies Panasonic Corporation announced that it has decided to invest in our 8 technologies a company that offers human-centric AI-powered solution our 8 digital operator Jenny, a technical assistant utilizing cloud technology to achieve global real estate climate neutrality, through a corporate venture capital fund, commonly known as the Panasonic Karashi Visionary Fund, jointly managed by Panasonic and SBI Investment Company. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. SPX Cooling announces opening of new Marley manufacturing facility in Springfield, Missouri. SPX Cooling Tech, LLC, a full-line, full-service industry leader in the design and manufacture of evaporative cooling towers and fluid coolers, has announced the opening of a new manufacturing facility in Springfield, Missouri, that will expand the company's capacity, while also allowing current operations to further optimize their legacy Marley brand products. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. ASHRAE Releases guide on the role of grid interactivity in decarbonization. ASHRAE has released a new guide focusing on the critical role of grid interactivity in the decarbonization process. The Grid Interactive Buildings for Decarbonization, Design and Operation Resource Guide is the second in a series of guides developed by the ASHRAE Task Force for Building Decarbonization, TFBD, and provides information on maximizing carbon reduction through buildings' interaction with the electric power grid. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. Beijer Ref acquires Turner Engineering in Australia. Beijer Ref has signed an agreement to acquire 100% of the shares in Turner Engineering, an HVAC distributor with more than 45 years of experience. The company has an annual turnover of approximately 200 million Swedish kronor. Turner Engineering was founded in 1974 and is headquartered in Perth, Western Australia. The company, which is among the region's longest-standing independent HVAC distributors, boasts a highly proficient team comprising HVAC specialists, technicians and engineers. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.